Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Yaz's Kitchen at Town Osteo. Today I'm super excited to demonstrate one of my go-to dishes. It's black turtle bean stew. We get 10 portions, all organic, all for under £5. So it's really cheap, it's super quick to make. Each portion is 100 grams, so that comes in at 50 pence. For the 100 grams, what do you get? You get 20 grams of protein, 15 grams of fiber, 290 kilocalories of energy. So what that means, if you're bodybuilding, if you are trying to diet for weight loss, you're going to get a high protein, high fiber, low calorie meal. So you're going to be fuller for longer, and you're going to have all the protein you need to build muscle. If you play with your food groups to convert that to a complete protein, which we'll talk about in other videos. So we put in 2 packs in our slow cooker, so we'll see how it goes in a few hours. So we thoroughly wash the turtle beans and rinse them off and soak them overnight, then empty the water, rinse again. To that we add our blended ingredients. So in a food processor, 1 chopped tin of tomatoes, organic. To that I add some coarsely chopped onions, a couple of those, there are small size. I add a few cloves of garlic. Into that goes some chopped ginger, aniseed, some lychee, and what we call danajiru, or cumin and coriander powder. And I've got some mustard seeds kind of spilling around, so I'll put those in. The rest of the ingredients are chili powder, salt, mixed pepper, and this little lump here is coconut oil. So everything really gets eyeballed. So the mustard seeds are a sprinkle. The chili powder, I like it a little bit hot, so I use a teaspoon. The coriander and cumin is around a teaspoon again, and a few cloves of garlic, and maybe 2 thumbs of ginger. So those are the ingredients. Into the tomato tin goes a little bit of water, just to make sure we get all the excess amount of tomatoey juice. And we also put a little bit of water into our food processor to allow it to blitz up. We don't have to blend it up too finely, but now the ingredients are blended. Into the crock pot it goes. We don't want to waste any of that goodness, so we get our kettle of boiling water, into the food processor, swirl it around a little bit, capture all those lovely juices. Give it a little bit of a stir with my spatula. So I really want to cover the beans with water so it becomes a stew and the beans don't dry off. So a kettle of pre-boiled water. Into the mixer add a few bay leaves and switch on the power, set it at low heat. So the stew has been cooking 2 hours on high. I checked it, it was still needing a lot of time in the slow cooker, so I jacked it up to the high setting and left it in there for another 5 hours cooking, stirring it infrequently, and gave it a taste test. So the beans are nice and soft, and added a little bit more salt. So let's have a look. We can see that there's plenty of lovely broth still left in there, and a quick taste test revealed that I just need to put a little bit more salt in there. And for the final addition, I'm going to put some sprinkling of mixed herbs. Let that just mix in there. Thank you for watching, and please comment below.